Alright, let's look at the homework 3.6, problem number 9. Alright, so it says that weekly sales S and the weekly advertising cost X are related by this equation here. And then current weekly advertising cost, which is X, is 4,000. And X is increasing at the rate of $400 per week. Right? Find the current rate of change of sales. Right? So let's do that. Alright, so you have the equation, so why don't we take the derivative of this equation right here. Alright, so this is the equation. Alright, so if you take the derivative of that, I'm going to just say take the derivative of that with respect to time, t. Alright, so ds over dt, which is what we're looking for, is equal to, right, derivative of 60,000 is going to be 0. Right, so you have a negative 30,000, that's just a constant multiple, so I'll just put that there. Right, then the derivative of e to the negative 0.00025x would be e to the negative 0.000 and 25x multiplied by derivative of the the inside function, which is going to be negative 0.00025 dx over dt. Alright, so let's see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. So I'm going to use those 4 zeros to move the decimal point 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so it's a negative 2.5 times negative 3, so that's going to be 7.5. So this is going to be 7.5. And of course the negative sign cancel out, so we don't have to worry about that. Then you have e to the negative 0.00025. Then x is actually 4,000. So this is 4,000. This is x. So we put that in there. So 4,000. All right. Then times, there's dx over dt. dx over dt is given right here. So this is dx over dt. Alright, so we just put at the end 400. Alright, so we just have to compute it, but we can simplify this. Alright, so we have, let's see, we have 4 times 5 is 0 and 20. So 4 times 7 to 30. So it's right. So this is going to be, so 4 times 7.5 would be 30. Right. Then you have a couple more zeros, so it's going to be 3,000. Alright, e to the, alright, then you have, let's see, 1, 2, 3 zeros, so we can move 1, 2, 3, then multiply by 4, so it's negative 0.25 times 4, so that's just going to be negative 1. Right, so then let's find out. So this is going to be, actually, what's the, let's see, round to the nearest integer as needed. Okay, so nearest integer. Oops. Alright, so let's look at that. So it's a 300 divided by e. So let's find that by, right, so 3,000 divided by e. Right, so we get 1,104. Right, so this is 1,104. Right, so let's type it in. 1,104. Alright, let's check the answer. Alright, we got that. Alright, that's it. I hope that this was clear.